Next subdivision in this chapter is called as relation. In the first class itself I told relation. What is the meaning of relation? Generally in a family itself we call this brother is related to some other person. He is the brother of me, he is the sister of me, he is the father of me, he is the neighbor of me. Like that we can tell some information about that relation. Suppose we can tell that Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. So at that time, Chennai is related to Tamil Nadu. There is some relations like that. Suppose XY is one of the line. XY is the one of the line, and XY is perpendicular to AB. If they given like this, XY is perpendicular to AB. How we can represent XY in the line that is XY is perpendicular to AB. Is perpendicular to AB. So XY and AB are related. Generally we can write XY is related to AB. XY is related to AB. Suppose XY is parallel to AB. Is parallel to AB. How we can write that? XY is related to AB. Okay, there is some relationship given for the two terms. Integer, the set of integer, the given set of integer. Suppose integer means -1. -1 is related to -3. Both are related because both are integers, negative numbers. Suppose if you are giving that 4 is related to 3. So we can tell that 4 and 3 are whole numbers. 4 and 3 are natural numbers. So like that some coordinate. Chennai is related to Tamil Nadu. New Delhi எதுக்கு ரிலேட்டிவா இருக்கு? இந்தியாவோட கேபிட்டல். இந்தியாவோட capital of India is New Delhi. So there is some relationship. Okay, Modi is related to India. Why? He is the Prime Minister of the India. So like that there is some relationship is given the data. நம்ம கொடுத்திருக்கக்கூடிய டேட்டாஸ்க்கு ஏதோ ஒரு so relationship சொல்லக்கூடிய ஒரு கான்செப்ட் தான் relation. So based on this we can proceed certain sums in this relations. How we can represent certain sums related to this? Belongs, not belongs. So these will all come under this category. So first I'll proceed that one of the example. Take out page number, verify that page number 8, page number 8, example 1.4, example 1.4, example 1.4. If you not understand, you can write example 1.4. See there the data is given in that question. A will be 3, 4, 7, 8, whereas B will be 1, 7 and 10. 1, 7 and 10. So this is the question is given in the textbook. A and B, they asked what is the relation between A to B. A to B. What is the relation A to B? That is A related to B. That is A related to B. We can write R is nothing but relationship. That letter is used for relationship R. A வந்து B வந்து எந்த வகையில relationship இருக்கு. And here the question is asked. First question, what the question is asked? R1 is equal to 3, 7, 4, 7, 7, 10 and 8, 1. 8, 1. So this is given as R set. Okay, now you see that R1ல இருக்கக்கூடிய எலிமெண்ட் ஏக்கும் பிக்கும் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் இருக்கா? So before finding that, you have to find out A cross B. A cross B. Already what we have found? The same thing. A cross B. How we can write? 3, 1. 3, 1. Then what? 3, 7. Then 3, 10. Then 4 with all other 3. 4, 1, 4, 7, 4, 10. Like that, 7. 7, 1, 7, 7, and 7, 10. And last 8, 1, 8, 7, 8, 10. So this is the answer for A cross B. First you have to find out this. Then based on the question, see that what are the elements present in R1 that should be present here. That should be present here. Okay. So then only it is shown as a relation. Then only it is shown as a relation. R1 is given like this. Whether R1 is related with A and B. See, R1 here 3, 7, 4, 7, 7, 10, 8, 1. The elements are present here. 3, 7, 4, 7, 7, 10, and 8, 1. So R1 is a subset of what? A cross B. A cross, put a subset. Okay, R1 is a subset of A cross B. Why? Because what are the elements present here? That should be present here. That should be present here. Therefore, R1 is relation of A to B. That's all. This is the first one. R1 is the relation from or of from A to B. We can proceed from A to B. The first question will be proceed like that. Now second question. See the second question in the textbook. What are the terms is given in R2? Find out that. R2 is given 3, 1, then 4, 12. 4, 12. See, this is the question is given. Now, this little different. See, R2 3, 1, 4, 12. In place of R, see that A cross B. Okay, 3, 1 is belongs to here. But 4, 12, if we check there is no elements or there is no pair present in A cross B. A cross B. Okay, 3, 1 belongs to what? 3, 1, 4, 12 belongs to R2. Belongs to R2. But 4, 12 not belongs to what? A cross B. 4, 12 என்ற நம்பர் இந்த A cross B ல எங்கேயுமே இல்லை. There is no term which is present in this A cross B. That's why written here. 3, 1 and 4, 12 belongs to R2. But 4, 12 is not belongs to A cross B. Questionல கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க. ஆனா questionல கொடுத்திருக்கூடிய ஒரு pair வந்து A cross B ல கிடையாது. 3, 1 is having here. Okay, whereas 4, 12 is not present. Therefore, R2 is not a relation. R2 is not a relation. You have to write like this. If it is relation means you have to check all the elements should be present. If it is not a relation means How we have to find means if any one of the element which is not present there. Likewise, third question, third option, the given the same question, what will be there? Little bit big. See the third question, third Roman letter. If we check that 3, 7, 4, 10, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 11, 8, 7, and 8, 10. So these are all the terms which is given on this question. So now check it in the same way as I informed earlier. Okay, see first sum like this, second sum, look at the third sum. So compare with it. Okay, 3, 7, 4, 10, 3, 7 is there, 4, 10 is also there, and 7, 7, 7, 7 is also there, 7, 8, 7, 8 is not there, I think, 7, 8 is not there. So 7, 8 is not there, 8, 11, 8, 11 is also not there, and 8, 7 is there, 8, 10 is there. This both is not present in what? This one. So, listen, 7, 8, 8, 11, 8, 11 belongs to R3. Belongs to R3. R3 la irukku. But this 7, 8, 8, 11 is not belongs to A cross B. Therefore, R3 is not a relation. Not a relation from A to B. A to B. Again I repeat, first sum. Based on this we can proceed the exercise first sum. Exercise first sum, very easy. After seeing this example, exercise 1.2 la irukkudiya first sum will be possible to do by yourself. A set as well as B set is given the question, and the question is asked to find whether it is a relation A to B. How we can write in expression A or B? So if you written is little big, then it is different. A or B. Now, according to the question, the terms or the elements are given. So this is the question. R1 we are given 4 terms. Now we have to check R1 subset of A cross B. Why? Because written here, all the element present here is also present here. Okay, all these 4 elements present in A cross B. That's why I written R1 is a subset of A cross B. So what is the answer for that? R1 is relation from A to B. In that the second round of question is given. R2. Here there is 2 elements is given. 3, 1, 4, 12. If you compare with these two things, 3, 1 is there, but 4, 12 is not there. Because 12 என்ற நம்பரே இங்கே கிடையாது. Okay, there is no number 12 here. By thinking that itself, we can identify it is not a relation. But anyway, how we have to write? 3, 1, 4, 12 belongs to R2, whereas 4, 12 is not belongs to A cross B. Therefore, R2 is not a relation from A to B. So last, this third question, here I have written, this is R3. This is what? R3 is given. So you have to take out this and find the answer as a relation. Okay.